come back to Mr. Pawan Khera because you didn't allow me before the break. Pawan ji, वैसे तो मैं स्कूल में थी, but I challenge you. वैसे आप झूठ बहुत बोलते हैं टीवी debates पे कि आप मुझे वो फोटोग्राफ दिखाइए जैसे you just said that there's a photograph of Vajpayee ji with Yasin Malik. Because I'll tell you what, on my last debate with you, you said M.S. Swaminathan ji never wrote. It was some Swaminathan Iyer. And here is the piece he wrote in Times of India. Here it is, sir. I will send it to you. I also tagged you on it on Twitter, where he's lauding Modi ji's policies for agriculture. So I challenge you right now to show me the photograph, unless, of course, you have actually worked some digital, produced some fake picture of Vajpayee ji with Yasin Malik as well. Please show.
Nupur, I will send you a copy of Mr. A.S. Dullah's.
No, but actually,
let me
I don't know why you said that. No, one second, Nupur, you just Google, Nupur, just Google it. Okay. Okay, go on. Let's respond to that.
No, I mean, Mr.
Pawan Khera.
Vajpayee's policy towards hardline leaders. We are discussing. What is this level, Rahul?
No, sir.
What are we discussing right now?
No, what is your level? Lying.
Will she stop? Will she stop interrupting me like this, Rahul, or will you allow this? Rahul, will this kind of
television?
I am sorry.
You will not
this
be countered.
is absolutely not dignified. This conduct is not dignified, Rahul. I will not.
Nupur's fader goes down. Nupur's fader goes down. On live, both faders go down. On live national television, Pawan Khera, you've made a charge that you have a photo of Yasin Malik and Atal Bihari Vajpayee, a former Prime Minister and Bharat Ratna. The BJP spokesperson is daring you and challenging you to produce that picture. I give you 30 seconds. You can Google it, look for it. Either you present that picture or you give a time and date by when you'll present it, or you apologize to Nupur. Pawan Khera.
Manmohan Singh had a photo with Yasin Malik. She's trying to prove anything. I am just trying to say that Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji was always in favor of closer to the hardline leaders of Kashmir. Doesn't mean that Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji was anti-India. No, if she can't understand. I'm sorry, ask her to just shut up. Let me just finish my point here. What is this nonsense here?
No.
Rahul, will you just ask her to finish my point, please?
Kargil was also fought and won.
Can I be allowed to finish my point?
Okay, Nupur, let Pawan complete, please. Pawan, please. No, 1 second. Yes, but
all that I'm trying to say.
No, I can, but I don't want you to use words like shut up. No, 1 second. 1 second. Don't use words like shut up. That's not right. Yes, you will be allowed to. You will let him speak. Let him speak. Pawan.
Me non-stop. I can't say, Rahul, your fader goes down because I don't control your fader. So let me finish my point. For the simple reason, just doesn't prove that Manmohan Singh's photograph with Yasin Malik means that Dr. Manmohan Singh is anti-India. Doesn't mean that Vajpayee ji was anti-India. If he was trying to get closer to the hardline leaders to solve a problem, is an intellectual point that I was trying to make. If she can't understand this, God be with her and God be with her party. But save my country from them.
Okay, Nupur Sharma, counter this, and then I want to come back to what we are discussing right now. Nupur.
Well, then by that, maybe you don't understand what you yourself state. You said you have a photograph and you failed to produce it. Apologize. One and two. Of course, you said there's a photograph. Vajpayee ji got photographed with Yasin Malik earlier. But point number two, by your own yardstick, what does Deep Sidhu's photograph with the Prime Minister prove? By your own yardstick, that was my point. Perhaps you are very low on IQ and comprehension, but this is exactly my point. And do not get personal if you're so low on facts and knowledge. If you have Ratnas, not with former prime ministers. There is a photograph. It is proven there's a photograph, and how happy Dr. Manmohan Singh looks in Yasin Malik's company, but you have none to counter and back with evidence your allegation that Vajpayee ji got photographed with Yasin Malik. But I'll tell you what, by your argument, Deep Sidhu's photograph with the HMPM or anybody in this country proves nothing. So take that back. Perhaps delete the tweet from Himachal Pradesh Congress Seva Dal, which calls him voice of a farmer. Perhaps when Deep Sidhu is caught and he's interrogated, all your rank and file will be all interrogated for being right behind these miscreants, which actually just demeaned and disrespected our tricolor on 26 January.
It's not under your command.
Okay.
आपको लॉजिक समझ में नहीं आएगा तो मैं ट्राई भी नहीं करूंगा.
आपको नहीं समझ आती, आपको खुद के आर्गुमेंट समझ नहीं आते.
छोड़ दीजिए, आपके पास की नहीं है, आप ट्राई भी मत कीजिए. ना ही मैं ट्राई करूंगा. We'll be wasting our time. and we'll be wasting the time of the show. So let's not try. मैं तो नहीं प्रयास कर सकता. मैं तो आपको लॉजिक समझा ही नहीं सकता क्योंकि
Okay,
आप तो
fade us down. This is degenerating into a tutu meme. Nupur's made a point. Pawan Khera has countered it. This is pointless. This is just like a cat fight. I can't allow it. It makes no sense. We have to stay focused, and there are a lot of very serious issues to talk about.